Merchandise are essential for any company or enterprise wanting to take their marketing efforts to the next level. Hi, I'm Will Amosich, welcoming you to BotSplash TV. Merchandise are physical representations of an enterprise or company's brand. They help essentially elevate the brand awareness and reputation of a company. And merchandise can range from anything from articles of clothing to book bags, mugs, and more. Providing people with merchandise, essentially branding of your company's logo, allows them to remember that brand and associate that brand with your company's product, thereby allowing your company's brand awareness to increase. Merchandising is a way of putting your company's brand, image, and even reputation on physical items that will leave a lasting imprint for prospects and clients. So, embrace the world of merch. And as always, thank you for watching BotSplash TV. I'm Will Amosich.